Hello everyone. Okay, so today we're going to do some audio edition with the software Audacity. Okay, the panels, the toolboxes we're going to be using is the first panel, the play panel. Okay, we have pause, play, and stop. Anytime you want to do any edition, it is important you click on stop. You can't do any edition unless you click on stop. It is essential you plug in your microphone before you open the software, otherwise the microphone will not be recognized. The second toolbox we're going to be using the most is this panel right here. We have the selection tool, this tool right here. This tool is going to help us increase or decrease the amplitude or volume. The pencil helps us modify the sound wave, but that is like an expert mode. It's almost imperceptible. Then we have the magnifier, and here we have other toolboxes for magnifiers. Okay, this one right here magnifies a selection, and this one the whole track. The tool right here, this is going to help us move a specific section of my timeline or my track. Okay, so let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is go to File, Import, and Audio. I have created a folder named Sophia. In this folder, I have put two audios. The first one I import is a mono sound. That means that you can hear on both ears the same sound. You don't really need a stereo sound because it's just talk. It's just a conversation. So it doesn't really matter if it is a stereo or a mono sound. How do you recognize it? Because in this track you only have one channel. Okay? So the second thing I am going to do is import another track. In this case, my second track will contain some music. I go to File, Import, Audio. This one contains music. Since the music contains more information, it will contain different information on right and left ear. Therefore, it is a stereo sound. You can have as many tracks as you want, but what you will hear is horizontally in a timeline. The timeline will indicate in seconds the track of time. So we have one track and two tracks, each track with one or two channels, depending if it is mono sound or stereo sound. This is what you hear. Remember that you can stop or pause. Okay? Not only can you do that from this toolbox right here, but you can also do it with your keyboard. You can stop or play with your space tab. Okay? That's very handy. Okay, so let's imagine you want to start with some music introduction. Okay, let's say some 7 or 8 minutes of music. So what we want to do is move the first track to start with a delay of 7 or 8 seconds. so we can start with only music. So let's see what happens. Now, as you can see, it started very aggressively. So why don't we apply a fade in? So the music appears progressively. What I'm going to do is select the first 5 seconds, effect, appear progressively, or fade in. Let's hear. Very differently, right? Okay, now I want to do the same thing right here, but now I want the opposite. I want to fade out and then decrease the amplitude so it doesn't interfere with the voice. I can magnify. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to use this tool right here. I'm going to set a beginning point and an end point for my fade in. Okay, let's see.